My name's James Williams. I'm the Senior Director of Channel Management for Cavallo. Cavallo is a company we've been around for 20 plus years in the Dynamics GP space, now into the Dynamics BC space, taking what we've learned working with light manufacturers and distributors and tackling some of those same problems now in Business Central. Really tackling, how do you maximize, profit opportunity for those distribution light manufacturing companies that really struggle with low margin orders and things of that nature. Yeah, so what I enjoy most about the Doug community, over the years and, at the event this year as well, is really community. Being able to come to an event like DynamicsCon Live and just be able to connect with partners, other ISVs, customers, all sort of in one space. Everybody's super supportive. The sessions are really informative, and everybody just has a good time.